In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gohighlevel account in just about 5 minutes. If you've been looking for a comprehensive platform that combines sales, marketing, and operations tools all in one place, Gohighlevel might just be what you need. And the best part, you can test it all out with their 14-day free trial without spending a dime up front. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. First off, navigate your way to the Gohighlevel website. Easy enough, right? You'll be greeted by a friendly interface that guides you towards discovering how Gohighlevel can transform your business operations. But we're here with a mission to create an account. So on the homepage, look for the big inviting button that says 14-day free trial and give that a click. This is your golden ticket to beginning your journey with Gohighlevel. Once you've clicked on the free trial button, the site will usher you into the sign-up process. Here's where you'll start laying down the basics about yourself. The form you're presented with is straightforward. You'll enter your full name, making sure to spell it just how you like it to appear in professional settings. Double check for typos here. It's always nice to make a good first impression, even digitally. Next up, your email address. This is crucial because Gohighlevel will send essential account information, updates, and notifications to this address. Ensure it's one you check regularly to stay in the loop, then your mobile number. This adds an extra layer of security to your account and enables Gohighlevel to reach you directly if needed. Make sure to enter a number that's current and accessible. After inputting your details, you'll proceed by clicking on Go to Step #2. This is where things start to get a bit more financial, but don't worry, it's all secure. You'll need to enter your credit or debit card number here. Now I know what you might be thinking, why do I need to input my card details for a free trial? It's a common practice among online services to prevent misuse of their trial offers and to facilitate a smooth transition to paid service if you decide to continue after the trial period. Upon entering your card details, take a moment to review everything you've entered so far. Accuracy is key. Now look for the checkbox usually situated near the end of the form. This is where you agree to Gohighlevel's terms of service and privacy policy. It's always a good idea to click on these links and give the terms a read through. Understanding what you're signing up for is vital in the digital world. Finally, and this feels like the moment we've all been waiting for, click on Start your 14-day free trial. With that click, you've officially set the wheels in motion to explore everything Gohighlevel has to offer. But before you dive in and start exploring all the features, here are a few tips to make the most out of your trial period. First, set aside some time to familiarize yourself with the platform. Gohighlevel is packed with features and it can feel overwhelming at first. Start with their onboarding resources. These are designed to help you get up to speed. Second, don't hesitate to reach out to their support team if you have any questions or run into any issues. They're there to help you navigate your new tools efficiently. And lastly, truly test it out. Integrate it into your day-to-day tasks. See how it can automate your workflows and assess the value it brings to your business. There you have it, a straightforward guide on how to create a Gohighlevel account with a side of practical advice to kickstart your journey. Remember, this 14-day trial is your sandbox. Explore, experiment, and evaluate how Gohighlevel can fit into your business strategy. Whether it's for managing customer relationships, automating marketing efforts, or streamlining operations, you now have the keys to test drive this all-encompassing platform. And who knows, this might just be the tool you've been searching for to scale your business to new heights. Until next time, happy exploring.